General configuration setup. At gateway, click F12 configure button to get configuration menu. At configuration menu, select general to get general configuration screen. Country configuration. To set the features applicable to the selected country under the section country details at the option use accounting terminologies of select India SARC default to set the accounting principles and financial statements as applicable to India. International to select the international accounting principles and financial statements for other countries. Ledger name styles. In reports and documents, normally the name of the master is printed. To set the default format for appearance of account ledger name, at the option default appearance of names in report, select from the list as follows. Name only to display the default the name of the ledger account. Alias only to display the first alias name of the ledger account. Name in parenthesis alias to display the name followed by first alias in the parenthesis of the account. Alias in parenthesis name to display the alias name followed by name in parenthesis of the account where alias is specified. This feature is useful to display print codes using alias names of ledger accounts. If you are using account codes through alias, then you may set name alias or alias name as default name style so that account codes are also printed along with account names in all reports. Date format. Tally displays date in two formats, also referred as date mask, as follows. Long format. This format is used in report header and voucher date, that is voucher entry. The date is shown in DD, MMM, YYY format like 25th January. The date part is shown in 1 or 2 digits. The month part shows first 3 letters of the respective month, for example JAN for January, followed by 4-digit year, for example 2014. Each part of the date is separated by date part separator. The long format, month shown in first 3 letters of the month name cannot be changed, but its date part separator may be changed, as explained below. Short format. This format is used to show voucher date in display and printed reports. The date part is shown in 1 or 2 digits, for example 9, 19, etc. The month part shows 1 or 2 digits per month, for example 4, 12, etc. followed by 4-digit year, for example 2013. Each part of the date is separated by date part separator. The short format mask and date part separator may be changed. Setting the date format. To set the date format and date part separator, at F12 configure general at the section style of dates. It is recommended not to change the default settings. At the field style of short date, select the desired format from the list. Date part separator. Normally hyphen is used as date part separator. At separator used in short date, you may type other characters like front slash, hyphen, dot, etc. to separate each part of the date. Short date format, DD MM-YY. It's the first 1 or 2 digit date, 1 or 2 digit month, 4 digit year. MMDDYY, first 1 or 2 digit month, 1 or 2 digit date, 4 digit year. YYMMDD, first 4 digit year, 2 digit month and 2 digit date. The year part is always shown in 4 digits format. The results of various formats and separators are shown. The date is shown in long format DDMMYY. Month is shown in first three letters of month name only in reports only in report headers and vouchers, while in reports the transaction dates are shown in short format, that is month shown in 2 digits only. At general configuration, you may set the date mask and date separator for the date format as follows. Date separator for long format but not date mask. Date mask and date separator for short format. The default date format cannot be changed during entry or in report. Number format. You may set the default options for formatting numbers. At Gateway of Tally, click F12 Configure and then select General under the section Configuration of Numbers. Now set as follows. Decimal separator. At the option decimal character to use, set the character to be used as decimal separator to separate the mantissa and decimal part of a number. The default decimal separator, that is dot, which you may change, for example the hyphen. Thousand separator. At the option thousand separator to use, set the character to be used as thousand separator to separate the position parts of a number. The default decimal separator is comma, which you may change. Negative amount sign. At the option put sign before currency unit symbols, set yes to show the negative sign before the negative value. For example, minus 10. Set no to show the negative sign after currency symbol. For example, 10 minus. However, for positive value, no sign symbol is shown. Amount format. For better readability, figures are normally delimited by comma. For example, 32,734.59 is represented by a comma after 32. So 32. Tally places two types of formatting to represent figures of lakh and above. To set the amount format, the option show numbers and millions set as follows. Lakhs formatting. Set no to express in lakhs. For example, 12,34,789, 1,23,456, etc. in India. In India, traditionally lakhs format is widely used to represent figures in rupees, lakh, 1 lakh and above. Million formatting. Set yes to express in million format. For example, 123, that the same figure would be shown as 123,456,789. Million format is widely used in Western countries by foreign multinational companies. You may set the lakhs millions setting as per your choice. Do not change the other default setting. After you change any configuration under style of dates or configuration of number, you have to reload Tally ERP9 to make the changes effective. Alert beeps. Tally invokes various alert messages, for example, errors encountered, non-permitted values entered, etc. to draw attention to the user with beep sound. You may activate, disable the alert beep as follows. At Gateway of Tally F12 Configure General under the section Other Options, at the option Enable Sound Notification on Alert, set yes, that is default, to raise a beep sound at alert messages, or set no to show alert messages without any beep sound. Info panel. To always display the information panel at the bottom part in all screens, set yes at always show info panel to keep the info panel hidden to make more screen in main screen. Set no. Other options of general configuration screen are explained at relevant places.